Hey everyone, my name is Leon. Welcome back to another video. I make content every single day based around video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So be sure to subscribe if that's what you're interested in. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add black bars to your videos in Premiere Pro. This video should be helpful to anyone possibly creating a music video, or just anything that requires black bars. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so on the screen is Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to drag this video onto the timeline. So now what you want to do is obviously just cut a bit out, I guess. Just that much. Now what you'll want to do essentially, well actually just keep it like that, yeah. Now what you want to do next is go to new item right here. Click on color matte, or however it's pronounced, and click OK. Obviously, go to black. Click OK. Choose name for this. Just that'll do. Now, drag that onto the timeline. Now, obviously, this is covered up. The video's covered at the moment, but covered in black. But now what you want to do is drag that up. Then duplicate the layer. So hold Alt, duplicate the layer essentially. Then drag that same layer, obviously not that, like that, and then essentially done. And that is basically how you add black bars to your videos in Premiere Pro 2021. If you found value in this video, then be sure to subscribe for more. Leave a like and share to boost the video in the algorithm and in search results. And if you have any questions or just general things you think I can improve on, then be sure to leave them in the comment section below, or contact me via Instagram and Snapchat. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you in my next video. Take care everyone.